Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leya, for you guys who don't know, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a 3-month acne update. And I feel like this one is going to be really quick because I just honestly don't feel like talking to be honest, but yeah, I'm just going to tell you guys what's been going on and why I'm just kind of disappointed right now. In my last acne update, which was a month ago, I told you guys that I wasn't really seeing too much progress in my skin, I think, and I think that's also why I wore makeup in the video, because there really wasn't a big difference. I swear I like spoke it into the universe, because I feel like instantly after I posted that video my skin just started to clear up and I really didn't have any acne at all. And the only time that I got a pimple was maybe when my period came on, and I would get maybe 1 or 2 on my entire face, which is great. Like, I did not have any acne. And then the pimples, I can't even call them breakouts because it wasn't a breakout, it was just hormonal acne. The ones that I did get, they instantly went away as soon as my cycle was over, and my skin was just looking really good. So the actual texture of my skin has been looking, well, had been looking really good. So even when I wear my makeup, and I typically always wear full coverage makeup, that's just me, like, you didn't really see any like bumps or anything underneath my skin. Of course I still have the scarring, which you guys can still see here, but my skin was just looking so good until a few days ago. I ran out of my acne medicine. I ran out of the Soooooo, which are the oral tablets that I have to take once a day, and I kept forgetting to order more. I don't know for what reason, I just kept forgetting, you know? And so I went and I ordered some on Tuesday of this week, and I still don't have any, you know? So it's been a few days, but something that I started noticing, I think I took my last Soooooo pill either on Sunday or Monday night. I always take them at night, and my skin, wow, who is beeping their horn like that? Anyways, I think what I notice is that when I don't take they're basically antibiotics, so when I don't take them, my skin instantly breaks out, like instantly. And so now I'm back to having like cystic bumps. I have one, let me take off my glasses. I have one on the side of my face here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, that hurts so bad. Like, it's so red, it's so irritated. It's not a whitehead, it's not like, it looks like it's at the surface, but it's actually not, and it's still so deep under the skin that I just can't get to it. And I'm just constantly trying to keep my skin clear, and I'm using my witch hazel to tone, and I'm not trying to irritate it so much. So I haven't worn did I wear makeup? I feel like I did wear makeup, but I know my cystic bumps are not coming from my use of makeup, because I've been wearing makeup since I started the acne treatment, and my acne was still getting better. I thoroughly cleanse my skin every morning and night. Like, I know it's not the makeup, you know? And it's very frustrating to be on a medication, and then as soon as you stop taking it, your skin just goes back to how it was before. So for me, I feel like the antibiotics are not working. It's a temporary treatment, but as soon as I'm done with my 3-month treatment, because it's only for 3 months, my skin is just gonna break out again. So I'm thinking that I am gonna go to the dermatologist earlier, or before my 3-month treatment is up, and see if maybe I can get started on something else, because I'm just a little bit discouraged right now. Like, my forehead has started breaking out, and my forehead, if you guys watch my previous like makeup videos that I've been doing, my forehead has always been the clearest part of my face. Like, even if I have like an old scar, and I've had where is it? It's pretty much gone now. But I used to have, like, when I first started the treatment, an old scar, and it looked like an acne bump, but it was just a really dark scar. That completely faded, and now I'm just getting like these tiny bumps here. And then I have these acne bumps on the side of my face that I did not have before. And my chin right now is okay, but then I also got these bumps on the side of my nose that you guys can see. So it kind of went away and it left a little bit of a dark mark there, but I'm just kind of discouraged. I also stopped taking the I forgot the name of the other medicine, but I'll like put it on the screen somewhere because I honestly can't think of it and I don't want to go to my bathroom to go get it. But I stopped using that because the foam to me just wasn't doing anything. And I stopped using this probably like 3 weeks ago, and it just wasn't doing anything. It was making my face super sticky, and it was making everything just feel very heavy and caked on my face, and I don't like that feeling at all. So I'm not gonna do my that was only my first refill. I think I'm not gonna do my second and third because I don't like the way my skin feels on it. It kind of tingles and it irritates my skin as well. Like, if you put too little, then the foam doesn't spread evenly, but if you accidentally put too much, then it doesn't really soak in. But if you put just enough, my skin starts to feel a little like irritated and even scratchy, and I don't like it. And I don't feel like anything was happening with my scars since I stopped using it though, and I've just always been consistent with my skincare routine. I do feel like my acne scars are like slowly fading. I know it's gonna take like months and months for these scars to go away, but I'm just, oh, it's called Phoenacia, cool, Phoenacia. I'm not gonna take it anymore. I really don't like it. I don't like it at all. I feel like these are temporary solutions, and I think I just need something a little bit stronger than the Solidin. And also the Solidin is making me very irritated, like in my woman areas and in my woman parts. Like, there's just so many things that I dislike about the medication, and the fact that it's not working as a permanent solution but as a temporary solution. But then I'm having all of these side effects on top of it from being antibiotics, and it's affecting other parts of my body. I'm not here for it. So I think I'm going to go back to the dermatologist in the next 2 weeks. I'm gonna give my final refill as soon as it freaking gets delivered. I'm gonna give that one more try, and yeah, probably just ask to be put on something else because I don't want to do this anymore. Like, I just want clear skin. I feel like the problem that I'm having with my skin is also the water. I can boil water, and then the water still comes out looking very murky and just disgusting here. And I tried getting a filter, and when we got the filters, then management came and changed like the water, like the sink or whatever, and so the filters that we got, they didn't even work for the first one, and then they don't work for the second one, and so I can't put a filter on the sink. And it's a lot going on, and it's just so annoying. And the water quality here, I will continuously say, absolutely sucks here. And I don't know, so I'm just a little irritated and disappointed and kind of over it. Actually. But other than that, that's my acne update. It's pretty short. My skin is starting to look like crap again. I am drinking water. I'm using gentle cleansers. I'm not over exfoliating. I'm hydrating my skin properly, and my skin just sucks. So yeah, once again, if you guys have any questions, any thoughts on my skin, or any suggestions or anything, leave them down below. A few people left comments in my last acne video that I posted, which I absolutely appreciate. So just keep the comments coming. Like this comment and subscribe, and I said like this, comment, like this video, and subscribe and share this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.